Imbiza ibizwiwa ngothi kulomcimbi wamaFilimu kepha ngaphansi kwemigomo eqinile ye-COVID-19. Ngaphandle nje kokubonisa amafilimu aseqophelweni eliphezulu, inhloso yalomcimbi ukuvulela abakulomkhakha inkundla yokucobelelana ngolwazi.
This festival is going to encourage young filmmakers to come forward to make their films, to speak with their own voice. And once that happens, then you're going to find that, African films, African filmmakers, the African voice is going to resonate.
Umbukiso uzovulela abadidiyeli bamafilimu abasafufusa nasebemkantshubomvu ithuba lokubonisa umsebenzi wabo.
Film is actually speaking about an unfinished business of the past and how the narrative still continues, even the struggle continues. So I'm really excited and happy that they related to that narrative.
Njengoba siphila isikhathini sobhubhane lwegciwane icorona, bekukhona nomkhakha okuncintisana kuwo imidlalo emifishane exoxa ezithinta iCovid-19.
We have festivals from different parts of the world, but they tag, and the name of the festival says it all. It means that this is a festival about everybody, regardless of where you're from.
Abaqoqozeli bafisa ukuthi lo mcimbi ubanjwe iminyaka yonke ukuqhakambisa imisebenzi edidiyelwe eAfrika. Umbukiso ke uzophothulwa mhlalolunye kunhlaba endaweni edlala amafilimu enqanqatheleni yezitolo eCanal Walk eKapa.